You've just spent hours crafting the perfect job application, a critical client proposal, or a detailed report for your boss. You hit send with a sigh of relief, only to realize 5 minutes later that you missed a glaring typo or a clumsy grammar mistake. In the professional world, small errors can have a big impact on your credibility. They can make you look rushed, unprofessional, or even incompetent. That's why Microsoft Word Spelling and Grammar Checker, now often called the editor in newer versions, is your document's ultimate quality control department. It helps to ensure that your message is clear, polished, and creates the best possible impression. Hence, mastering this tool is a fundamental skill and a crucial habit for any successful professional.
What is spelling and grammar checking? The spelling and grammar checker is Word's built-in intelligent system that identifies potential spelling mistakes. It compares your words against its dictionaries and checks for potential differences. Flags grammatical errors. It analyzes sentence structure, punctuation, and word usage based on predefined rules. Suggests stylistic improvements. It can recommend clearer phrasing or more concise language. In general, it acts like an ever-present assistant, providing visual cues in your document and a dedicated review pane to help you refine your writing.
Why is this tool essential? The spelling and grammar checker is important for the following reasons. Professionalism. Flawless documents speak volumes about your attention to detail and professionalism. Clarity. Correct grammar ensures your message is understood exactly as intended, preventing misinterpretations. Credibility. Errors undermine your authority and make your work seem less reliable. Time saving. While it doesn't replace human proofreading, it catches common mistakes much faster than your eyes can. Confidence. You are confident to send your documents, knowing you've done your best to eliminate embarrassing errors.
How to use spelling and grammar checker. Word offers two main ways to use its proofing tools: the automatic live check and the dedicated editor pane. Method 1. The instant visual cues. Word automatically checks your text as you type. You should therefore pay attention to these lines. Red wavy underline. This usually means a spelling error. In other words, Word doesn't recognize the word you typed. E.g., te instead of the, receive instead of receive. Blue double underline or blue wavy underline. This indicates a grammatical error or a stylistic suggestion. E.g., the cat are black or it is very, very important. For example, take a moment to type the following sentences into a blank Word document. Can you see the colored underlines? How to fix errors using visual cues. Do the following to fix errors instantly as you type. Right-click on the underlined word or phrase. Word will offer suggestions in the sub-menu that appears. Click on the correct suggestion to replace the error. You might also see options like ignore once, ignore all, or add to dictionary. Select any of the three to eliminate visual cues on proper nouns or technical terms that Word doesn't know.
Method 2. The spelling and grammar pane. This is where you get a comprehensive overview and control over all identified issues. This should be used after you're done with your document creation. Do the following to launch the dedicated editor. 1. On the ribbon, click the Review tab. 2. In the Proofing group, click Spelling and Grammar, or Editor in newer Word versions. You can also press F7 on the keyboard. The editor pane will open on the right side of your screen. This is your primary hub for reviewing all suggestions. 3. Reviewing suggestions in the editor pane. The editor pane categorizes issues, e.g., spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness. Click on a category to expand it. Word will highlight the first issue in your document and display suggestions in the pane. For each suggestion, you have options to select. The suggestion, to accept the change. Ignore, to skip this specific instance. Ignore all, to skip all instances of this specific issue throughout the document. Add to dictionary, if it's a correct, but unrecognized word, like a unique last name or a specific technical term, you can add it to Word's custom dictionary so it won't be flagged again in future documents. 4. Proofing language. Ensure Word is checking against the correct language. If you're writing in British English, but Word is set to US English, you'll see many false flags. On the Review tab, in the Language group, click Language, then set Proofing Language, and select the correct language.
Always note that while it is helpful, Word's checker is a tool, not a human editor. This means that it won't tell you if your sentence makes sense or if your argument is logical. Therefore, always read and understand Word's suggestions. Sometimes, its correction might alter your intended meaning or be grammatically correct but stylistically worse. Before you start typing a new document, ensure your proofing language is set correctly to avoid unnecessary red squiggly lines. For critical documents, print them out and proofread a hard copy. Errors often jump out differently on paper. In conclusion, the spelling and grammar checker is your trusted ally in crafting professional, error-free documents. It's not just a convenience, it's a critical tool for maintaining your credibility and ensuring your message is clear and impactful. Mastering its features demonstrates a strong command of Word, a skill that is paramount for MOS certification and invaluable in every aspect of your professional life.